Welcome! In this tutorial, I'm gonna show you or teach you how to install Adobe Reader using your computer. So if you want to know how I did it, just keep on watching. So first of all, you want to open your browser, whatever browser that you are using, but in this tutorial, I will be using Google Chrome. So after that, just go ahead and search for Adobe Reader. Now you want to click here at the first link. So now just go ahead and click on download Acrobat Reader. So here you just need to wait. So now just go ahead and click on the file. Click on yes. So let me try that again. So here as you can see, you just need to wait for it again because it is installing something. So for application installed. And then let's just wait for it. Now just go ahead and click on finish. So now just go ahead and open on the Adobe Reader again. So you can just go ahead and start free trial. But let me just go ahead and search for Adobe Reader or Acrobat right here. So now as you can see, I already downloaded or installed Adobe Reader on my device. So now just go ahead and sign in your account. And if you don't have one, just go ahead and create an account. Okay? So now that is how you installed Adobe Reader on your computer. So I hope this video helped you, and if it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell notification so you won't miss a video. See you on the next one, and have a great day.